How to log out of Netflix on Smart TV. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and turn on your TV and you will be led to the home page. Here, go ahead and select the Netflix option you see there, and once you have opened Netflix, make sure you are signed in and now tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the get help option you see there. Further, you will see the option for sign out at the bottom. Tap on that and in the confirmation that appears, tap on yes to confirm, and with this you will be signed out. So, this is how you can log out of Netflix on Smart TV. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.